guys, what's up? It's Franny, and today's video I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. So yeah, I'm like not in my normal setting. I'm usually over there with all the lights and stuff, but today's gonna be kind of like a vlog kind of video. Also, quick little thing, my face is just like all like broken out and stuff because I got a facial a few days ago and they really popped my pimples and like popped my, I don't know, my skin and like my pores. Sorry, TMI, a little nasty, but just so you know why my skin's a little red and a little broken out. And my hair's all over the place, but I will get ready maybe today, I don't know. Anyways, so I want to show you guys what I eat in a day. I don't know why I decided to start the video today like this. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of like a vlog kind of video, but I have my first thing that I'm eating for today. It is something that I've been getting for the past like 2 or 3 weeks now. I walk to this organic juicery and smoothie place down the street from my house, and I always get this smoothie literally every morning or whenever I'm ready to eat. So like right now it's like 12:30, which is really late to be eating, but I usually get up around 9 or 10 and, you know, get up, get ready, and then I go. So it's usually like around 11:30, 12 I get my smoothie. So basically I get this smoothie and it has almond butter, dates, almond milk, banana. It's very nutty and like banana-y, and oh, it has chia seeds in it as well, but it's a really good smoothie. I love it. I get it all the time. I usually get that for like my breakfast brunch. If I'm not getting the smoothie, I usually eat eggs with chicken or eggs with like turkey bacon or something, but this is what I've been getting for the past few weeks, so that's why I'm showing you this. So yeah, that's my first like meal or thing that I'm eating for today. Also, just so you guys know, I really don't cook. Cooking, it takes a lot of time. I'm really busy all the time, and especially today. If it was a lot more free, I probably would cook, because I do cook sometimes, but today specifically I have just so much stuff to do. We are leaving for Mammoth tomorrow to go snowboarding, so I have a lot of errands to run. I have a quiz to take for school, and I just have so much to do. So probably all the food I'll be getting today, I'll be probably running out and grabbing it. But typically, you know, I do kind of both. I cook and I buy food out all the time, just so you guys know. But yeah, so this is my first meal, and when I get my second one, I'll be filming that as well, because I'll be showing you what I eat in a day. Alright guys, so just to say, I look a little crazy right now. I still have no makeup on. I put my merch hat on.
Districtlines.com/Franny.
Arrieta.
Franny Arrieta.
We were almost there, and I'm gonna have everything down below, but yeah, I just put my beanie on because I just was not feeling it, and I just have this outfit on. I just look a little hobo-ish. It's fine. Not hobo.
You look cute.
Aw. Thanks, Bree.
You're welcome.
All right, so we are on our way actually. I got. We're actually on our way to go eat my second meal of the day. What is this?
This will be meal number uno. I slept into like 1.
Okay, so she hasn't even eaten today. We're actually heading to Toast. I've been running errands all day, and I finally have found time to eat.
Insert hallelujah music.
So we're gonna go eat, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. All right guys, so we're here at Toast, and the music is really loud. I don't know if you can hear me, and the blender's going. But
great time.
Bree, what do you want to eat?
Dude, I don't know. All I know is I want breakfast because it's technically breakfast time.
Yeah, Bree hasn't eaten anything yet, so the menu is just endless. There's like,
are you doing lunch or breakfast?
Eggs. I don't know.
Okay,
stop asking me.
Life together, because this is affecting my decision.
All right guys, so we just got our food, and so I got something called the Oscar, and it's like chicken with eggs, cheese, and guac. It usually comes with a tortilla, but I asked for no tortilla, and I'll explain why later. I'm gonna explain to you guys a little bit my diet or my the fake Hispanic. I got no tortilla, and then I got a side salad. Let me show you. So that is what it looks like. Yeah, I got no tortilla with it. It's so good. And then I got a side salad with tahini, and Bree.
I didn't realize you got a salad. I thought we were getting potatoes together.
No, I got a salad. So Bree got something called the shakshuka. It's like eggs with red sauce and potatoes and some bread. And we're chilling. Best believe though that we got a dessert, and we are gonna be showing you that right after. So Bree's here eating some bread and something. And Bree, can you please repeat yourself what you just said?
Okay, listen, I said I love chimichurri. This is pesto. They're both green and they taste very similar.
She goes, oh, I love chimichurri. She's like eating it with the bread, and I'm like, Bree, that's pesto. And she goes, my whole life's a lie.
Literally. I'm here like, I love chimichurri.
No, she completely is eating pesto. Trust me, because I've worked here.
Okay, well, I haven't had chimichurri in a long time, and tell me this doesn't look like chimichurri.
Isn't chimichurri spicy?
Dude, what? Chimichurri is not spicy. It's definitely more oily. They definitely don't taste anything spicy. So I don't know how I got this.
I have no idea what. I don't even know if I've tasted chimichurri, but it's okay. Oh, I ate it.
I thought you wanted a piece of it.
Well, that's for another one. I ate the whole thing because I didn't know you were gonna eat it. Just save it for I'm dead. All right, guys. So I am done. I just couldn't eat anymore. Bria's also done. And we are just waiting on our dessert now. While I was working here, Brie would come at the end of my shift and we would eat this one dessert every single time, and I just can't wait to show you guys because it is magical.
I have it about 4 to 5 times a week.
No, 4 to 5 times a week. This is a phase of ours and we're not proud of it, but at the same time we were kind of proud of it because it was delicious.
Ian and Harrison, remember when they challenged us? We got 2 of them. Ian and Harrison like challenged me and Franny like who can eat the most because it's very big. And they were like, of course we're gonna win. We're dudes. Har har har. No. Harrison's last bite, he was like, I can't breathe, and I was like, you have the whole bazooki.
Brie and I devour it every time. And Brie also does this thing where she only eats the edges.
But that's why we work as a team.
I don't like the middle either.
Oh. I thought you did.
No. We're splitting it equal this time. Alright guys, so our dessert came and I'm ready to show it to you.
We don't want to get copyrighted.
So we have Brie singing. This is called a cookie skillet, but we also call it pizookie. It is heaven on earth for both of us.
Caitlin, can we eat it now? Like,
no, I want you to eat it. I want your reaction. Okay.
Not that many, badly.
All right.
Alright.
All right.
Got a little balance here.
All right.
One lesson, and I said, so the black turn.
Wow.
Alright guys, so I haven't had this in a while. So a little bit of ice cream, a little bit of the cookie skillet. My edge. I'm so excited. We're eating the whole thing. I was thinking, let's take a few bites. There's no way.
It's so good. Yeah, I saw it drip.
Ew!
Why are you saying ew? It literally came from your mouth.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, so Brie and I are leaving toast at this moment.
Yes.
Food, baby, pregnancy, babies are...
Hi. I saw you guys like eating. I didn't want to.
I was like, she's laughing at the vlog. I was like,
oh my god. Oh my god, wait, say hi. What's your name?
Alexis.
Alexis, what's your name?
oh, hi.
Hi.
Okay. She's just with me. Yeah.
Your name's Alexis?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Oh, that's so funny. I was like vlogging.
I know,
I'm
it's like Franny, people are judging us.
I know. I'm like, I have a food baby.
No, you don't.
It's so funny. Hey guys, so we just got to Brie's house. I'm gonna be showing you guys her dog Nugget, and he is a lump, and a very cute lump.
He is such a yum.
Look at him.
Say hi to the camera.
Nugget, say hi. Oh,
He's so heavy.
He's a little heavy.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi. Oh, he's such a good boy.
He's such a good boy. Okay, now run, run. He tucks his butt in when he runs. I want him to run fast.
Nugget! Yeah.
His face. I'm mad. He usually runs in like these crazy circles.
He's just not up for it right now.
I'll pretend to throw it over there, and usually most dogs know you don't throw it.
Yeah.
He doesn't.
He's waiting for it.
Wow, he's just proving me so wrong in this entire video.
All right, guys, Brie and I are on our way to
Dinner.
Taco Bell. So we're on our way to Taco Bell. We're craving Taco Bell, and I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. And this is actually typically what happens in a day. Like, I'm not kidding. We try to eat relatively healthy until
Minus the pizookie.
until nighttime comes around. When
Yeah.
nighttime comes around, we start craving everything and anything.
And then we just go for it.
So we're on our way to Taco Bell to get just a burrito, small little burrito, just for something.
Small but deadly.
Literally. I'm so excited. I'm actually so hungry because, what time is it? It's 11:30, guys.
Is it? Oh, why did I think it was 8 o'clock?
We were at Toast, I think, at 8 o'clock. Time freaking flew. Oh my god.
Long story short, we're gonna go get, oh my god, I feel like such a vlogger. We're gonna go get Taco. Oh my. Yes, it's Taco Bell. All right, here we go.
Should I just get it? I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna
Get 3. Well, 1 for me.
Hi.
Hello, how can I help you?
Can I get 3 potato and bean burritos? Just potatoes and beans, 3 of them, please. And that will be it.
Alright, 719.
All right, perfect. Thank
That's
you.
what I'm talking about. A full course meal. You're getting your carbs. You're getting your
Where's my
whatever
purse?
beans are. All for $7. That's what I like to hear.
Hi.
Can I tell him to say hi to the camera?
Do you want sauce?
Yeah. Can I get some fire sauce, please? He's like,
He
please.
just doesn't look like he wants
He just doesn't want to be in the vlog. I get it. So as you can see, Franny and I have partially done our hair and makeup to do absolutely nothing.
Thank you.
We were gonna go out.
We're about to park right now in this parking lot and just take a bite. They can see.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Pa arriba, para abajo.
Wait, pa arriba, pa abajo, pa dentro, pa centro.
Pa centro.
Yeah, pa centro,
Centro.
pa dentro.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 Taco Bell.
10 out of 10 Taco Bell. Thank you, Taco Bell, for sponsoring us today.
It's not a sponsor, I wish. Alright guys, so that is the end of what I eat in a day.
Don't judge us.
This is typically what I eat. Not that I eat Taco Bell every day, but
I do.
Brie actually does eat Taco Bell every day. But you know, I don't eat a bunch of healthy stuff all day. Like this is genuinely, okay, she's making such a mess. This is genuinely what I eat. I'll eat some junk food, I eat healthy, I eat everything. But no, what I was saying before when I was at Toes, I generally try to be like gluten-free or stay away from carbs, but it's so hard sometimes.
I will say, something that I get a lot from people is, I eat so healthy until I'm with you. So I could have an impact on this.
Brie might just influence me a
I'm
lot
common
into
denominator.
eating a lot of, you know, gluten stuff. But yeah, I generally just try to stay away from gluten and like bread and pasta and stuff, but it is very hard. Obviously, as you saw today, I cheated very heavily.
Today was definitely a cheat day for Franny. I will say she inspires me to eat healthy.
Yeah, I eat decently healthy, right?
No, you do.
Yeah. But all right, guys, so that was the end of my vlog. Well, kind of vlog, what I eat in a day video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Actually, tell me what your favorite thing to eat. That's what I want to know. Don't forget. Oh, what are you gonna say?
Everyone at Taco Bell on Twitter telling them to sponsor Franny. Thank you.
There we go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Say bye, Brie. Oh, sorry. Bye.